I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you? I'm from east part of India. What about you? Delhi. What do you do? Okay. What is your branch name? Wow. Then are you working also in Delhi? Okay. How long have you been working in there? 5 years. Okay. Then you have experience, right? About your personal life. Within 5 years, did you get any promotion? Wow. No, no, no. I don't have idea about it. I know a little bit people they tell about developer work. You people set up application, right? You develop application and you work. How is it function, right? You have work and team leader supervise you people, right? Who are team leader, they supervise people and they connect each other and you develop and you update, and that is a different kind of work from other professional life, right? Yeah, then which type of company right now are you working in, foreign country or India? Indian company. Okay, then work from home or do you go to office daily? Okay, hybrid mode. Yeah, sometime you go and sometime you work from home, right? Wow, how far from your home to your office? Oh, not too much. Are you born and raised in Delhi? Oh, okay, you are from UP and right, currently you are working here. That's why right now you are living in Delhi, right? Wow, then your company provide accommodation, everything? Okay. Only company provides salary. Okay. He company always only provides salary, right? Wow. Then why did you change your profit means company? Okay. Do you due to your means handsome salary or what type of? Okay, leave it. What's your question? I don't do anything. I'm super duper unemployed. Pardon? No, 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 no. I don't have any business. Yeah. Thank you. Then you tell about your little bit work. Miss, what's bring you here? Do you wanna enhance your English speaking or do you wanna just interact with co-learner? Co-learner. Do you talk with anyone in English at office? Your boss, your colleagues, your team leader? Hmm. Different speak. Hmm. Right, right, right. Without English, how can you communicate with them? How can you make them understand? Right? Because you got atmosphere to interact with them always. That's why you speak fluently and you speak like a native speaker, right? Right. Then, apart from English, what's your native language? Hin- Hindi. Hindi and English, you know. Or apart from Hindi, do you know different language? Pardon? Wow, you know also Germany language. Okay, do you want to move? German? Do you want to go? Okay, that's why little bit you want to learn Germany language. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल you know greeting part right how to greet how to only survival language not that much deep right now you are in learning stage right mm-hmm. Means if you know then if they can't understand what you want to tell them then you use a little bit that their native language right yeah that is a better that's why at least we should speak and learn 4 or 5 languages right because we are Indian and India is a languages country and we have to learn, right? We get that opportunity because some ODIA, of course, definitely. Have you been? Have you been Odisha? Okay, then welcome to Odisha. If you get chance, then definitely you come and you visit here because you know India has 4 dham and Puri Jagannath temple, one of them. Then if you get chance, then you come and you visit in there. Yeah. Then when you go your hometown, UP. Okay. After 2 months. Oh, mhm. Okay. Otherwise, you go there after 2 months or after 4 6 months. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Because you are working. Mhm. Okay, okay. You have also car, and if you want to go, then anytime you can go after your office work, right? Okay, how far from your Delhi to your hometown?